The world's biggest COVID vaccination process is currently underway. In India, two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are being administered here. As of now, more than 8 crore 70 lakh vaccination doses have already been given. But there are other vaccines which are currently in the pipeline as well, waiting for emergency use approval. So here's our reality check on the vaccines by India Today, Sneha Murdani.
Over 1 lakh cases of COVID in India, pushing us to the brink of a lockdown once again. But a vaccine is just another arsenal in our armor. In spite of being the pharmacy to the world and working on over 30 vaccines against this infection, India has given conditional approval to 2 vaccines. You have heard of Covaxin and Covishield, the 2 vaccines being used in India right now against COVID-19. But there are others in the pipeline too, which once approved will give us the flexibility of more options and more doses. Here is a status check. Sputnik V. Well, the company that has made this vaccine is Russian Direct Investment Fund in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's lab in Hyderabad. Dr. Reddy's lab, in fact, has completed the bridging studies of this vaccine in India. The companies that are going to be manufacturing this vaccine in India are Hetero Biopharma and Gland Pharma. The platform is non-replicating human adenovirus vector. The number of doses is 2. Each dose uses a different adenovirus. The efficacy is 91.6%. The capacity is up to 352 million doses every single year. Here's the status. Dr. Reddy's has completed the bridging studies and has applied for emergency use authorization with the regulator. The regulator, twice in fact, has asked Dr. Reddy's to come back to it with more data and more information to give the final approval. The second vaccine that is being developed is called ZyCoV-D. The company that has developed this vaccine is Zydus Cadila. The platform is DNA plasmid. The number of doses is expected to be 3. The efficacy, the data for the same is not available yet. The capacity is approximately 150 million doses a year. The status is that this vaccine is currently in phase 3 trials in the country. Covovax. The company that has developed Covovax is Serum Institute of India in collaboration with Novavax. The platform is protein subunit. The number of doses is 2. The capacity is targeting upwards of 40 to 50 million doses every single month. The efficacy is 96.4% against the original virus strain. The status of that vaccine is that on the 3rd of February, the Serum Institute of India received approval to conduct a bridging study of this vaccine, which was developed by Novavax on the Indian population. It is expected to begin the study soon. The HGCO19 vaccine. This is being developed by Genova Biopharmaceuticals, which is a company based out of Pune. The platform is an mRNA platform. This is India's first mRNA vaccine. The number of doses is expected to be 2. The capacity is 360 million installed per year with the parent company, which is Emcure. The efficacy data is not available yet. The phase 3 trials is yet to begin. The status is that the approval has been received way back on the 11th of December for the phase 1 and 2 of the trials, which is going on right now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.